Is your Mac feeling sluggish? Let's boost that performance by clearing out its hidden digital clutter. First, open Finder, then click on the Go menu in the top bar, and select Go to Folder. In the pop-up window that appears, type this path, Library, Caches. Make sure you include the tilde symbol and press Enter or click Go. You'll now be in your Mac's Caches folder. This is where temporary files are stored to optimize. We'll selectively delete these files. You can navigate into these subfolders to see the contents. It's generally safe to delete the contents of these folders, but usually not the folders themselves, so select all the items within a subfolder, then right-click and choose Move to Trash. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut Command to select all items inside a folder, then drag them to the trash icon in your dock. Once you've emptied the Caches folder, don't forget to empty your trash to fully reclaim your storage space and boost your Mac's speed. And there you have it. Your Mac should now feel significantly faster. For even more Mac optimization tips, be sure to subscribe.